How's it going, guys? It's Brendan, and this month's Monster Crate is going to be the Ocean Man, kind of a classic tiki cocktail with a little bit of rum, a little bit of mint, some blackberry syrup. So let's see what we've got in the box. Start off with our Sailor Jerry Spiced Rum. Got a bunch of limes. I always recommend kind of cutting or juicing these beforehand. If you've got a hand juicer, that's really nice. Get it out of the way, kind of get it into a nice receptacle. Then we've also provided you with a nice tiki glass as well as a fun bandana. And then we've got mint syrup as well as fresh garnishing mint and also blackberry syrup. So let's begin. If you've got a pebble or crushed ice attachment on your home refrigerator, I recommend using that. If not, cubes will work fine. So first off, we're going to start with half an ounce of our blackberry syrup. Next, we'll take our mint syrup, also another half ounce. And then we'll go 3/4 lime juice. And last but not least, our spiced rum from Sailor Jerry, a full 2 ounces. Now we'll fill this with ice and give it a good shake. I always like adding ice at the end. That way we're not adding any unnecessary dilution as we're making the drink. Top that guy up with ice. Give it a nice secure seal. Give it about 20 to 25 shakes. Grab our glassware. I always like double straining this just in case any of the ice shards kind of get out. Again, they won't be getting into our drink and messing up the dilution. Top it up with just a little bit more ice. And then we can grab our garnishing mint. Always give your mint that you garnish with a nice little slap. It kind of opens up the cell walls, lets out a little bit more aroma. Just drop that guy in with the straw, and that's your Ocean Man.